right, guys, ready for today's secret sauce? Now, this is my belief. Maybe I'm wrong here, but I'm pretty sure we all want more opportunities, right? But I'm not sure that we realize that those opportunities actually originated at some point well in the past that we probably don't recall, right? And that point in the past was a time when you kept your promise, you delivered on what you said you were going to do, and that you showed that person that gave you, that is now giving you the opportunity in that point in the past, you showed that they were important to you, and therefore you did what you said you're going to do. So are they important enough to make room on your busy schedule? That type of thing, right? And these promises can be to a customer, a partner, or even yourself. These promises can be promises we make to ourselves. And keeping promises isn't just about fulfilling obligations, right? It's about building integrity, trust, and that will create opportunities for future growth. At the heart of any strong relationship, whether it's business, personal life, is trust. When you keep your promises, you're showing others that they can rely on you. It's not about doing just what you said you would. It's about proving that your word has value. Integrity becomes part of your brand. Now, here's the secret. The more integrity you build, the more people want to work with you. Opportunities multiply when others know they can count on you. And that's the same mechanism that works for your internal voice. When you keep the promises you make to yourself, you feel better, you achieve more, and you're given more energy to accomplish your deepest desires, right? That's a weird thing to think about, but you're given more energy. Your subconscious mind will give you more energy. This is all scientifically proven stuff that's crazy for me to think about. So I want to give you this delicious recipe, and I'm going to share 3 simple ingredients that you need to build this trust. Number 1, be clear about your commitments. Before making any promises, ask yourself, can I really deliver on this? Overpromising leads to stress and failure. Instead, make sure your promises are realistic and attainable, and you're making the most important thing the most important thing. Okay, number 2, follow through consistently. Consistency is key. Every time you deliver on a promise, you strengthen your integrity. So create systems or reminders to help you keep track of commitments so you don't let anything slip through the cracks. Don't just use a calendar, live by it, right? When you forget something, figure out a system to keep it from happening again. Number 3, own your mistakes and make it right. Let's be real. Nobody is perfect. If you find you can't keep a promise, communicate it early. Apologize and find a solution to make things right. If you are the one that's unable to fulfill a promise, don't put it on someone else to solve the problem for you. Renegotiate and offer a solution, and don't expect the other party to solve it for you. Owning up to your mistakes can actually build more trust in the long run. Again, we're all humans. This is a major value of mine. So I'm very keenly aware of it, but I still find myself overcommitting. So don't take the mistake and hide from it. Take it as an opportunity to improve. You need to know what your long-term goals are, and then you can commit to the right things. The in the moment, oh, I'm just going to take that on because it feels like the right thing to do, or you're saying yes to every request, right? Yes, in the moment, it might feel like the right thing to do, but you're actually creating the opposite effect when you start overcommitting. The trust and integrity built from this recipe isn't just a nice thing to have, it's essential for your future growth. When people know they can trust you, they're more likely to recommend you, return to do business with you, and bring you new opportunities. But when they feel like they can't, they probably won't tell you. They'll just look to other places to recommend, other places to do business with, and other places to feed opportunities to. So keeping your promises, even the small ones, is like planting a seed. Over time, those seeds are going to grow into a forest of trust and success, full of opportunities that you might not have even seen coming. So next time you make a commitment, follow through, be honest, and watch how your integrity opens doors for your future. That's your secret sauce for today. Keep those promises and success will follow.